Hello and welcome to this video to inform you about completing the SACE at Springbank Secondary College. When you start your SACE, you begin in year 10 with the PLP, which gives you your first compulsory 10 credits towards your SACE, for which you need to complete 200 credits between year 11 and year 12. So the first thing we're going to look at is this completion check, which you should receive from your school on a yearly basis. The completion check shows you how many credits you have, what completion your compulsories are, and so you can see here that your compulsory literacy and numeracy at stage 1 have not been done because this person is in year 10. You can see that their PLP or their modified, their personal learning plan has been completed or is presumed completed. Okay, and it also shows you the total number of points you have accrued so far. So when you get to year 11, you're looking at stage 1, that's what the SACE board calls it. You'll need to take 12 subjects across the whole year. Of course, there are again some compulsory subjects that we need to do at year 11. There are 5 of them, and of course for each course you get 10 points, so that's 50 points. So the first one is English, which is a full year course, so that's 2 semesters. So that's 20 points for the whole year, and we subtract that from the 190 that we carried over after subtracting the PLP. And we also have a semester of maths, which is the only requirement from the SACE board. You may take more than one maths subject, and that is again another 10 points. Then you've got research skills, which at this stage is compulsory, and that is another 10 points, followed by the actual research project, which is a stage 2 course, but we complete that in stage 1, which also attracts another 10 points. So after we've done our compulsory subjects in year 11 or at stage 1, we have 140 points remaining. So now we need to look at our electives or our choice subjects for year 11. So we have another 7 subjects to complete across the year. So there are 7, they will give us 70 points. So we'll have maths for 10, food and hospitality for 10, biology for 10, scientific studies for 10, PE for 10, and finally we have tech for 10, and digital tech, pardon me. So that leaves us 70 credits that we need to get in year 12 in order to complete our 200 credits for the SACE. So we'll look at the year 12 total. Yes, and you can only have a maximum of 130 stage 1 points in your SACE. The rest have to be stage 2. So we'll look at the ATAR track and the SACE completion track, and there's just a very slight difference in that. The ATAR track requires that you do 80 stage 2 points, while the SACE completion track requires that you only do 60 stage 2 points. Now the ATAR track is something you would do if you're going to go to university, whereas the SACE completion track, that is if you're just going to get your high school diploma, move on to TAFE, a trade, or just employment. So let's see what it looks like at stage 2 or year 12 to get these points. So let's say I want to do, so I'm starting with 70 points remaining after I've subtracted all the other ones. And we're going to do a full year of maths to give us 20 points, a full year of scientific studies, a full year of biology, and a full year of English, which is another 20 points. Now, if you are thinking about studying interstate, you will need to do a full year of English at year 12 because that is required by interstate universities. And that takes you down to 0 points, or actually minus 10. If you choose not to use your research project because you didn't like your grade for that, you can just use these 80 points that will work towards your ATAR. You're also able to mix these classes up with some VET courses, which you feel may be more relevant to you. Looking at the SAYS completion track, it's the same thing. The only thing we're doing here that's different is looking for 60 stage 2 points. So that is also including the 10 points for research project, which, as I said, is a stage 2 course. So you'll have a full year of maths and a food and hospitality and possibly a tech. And then you can do a drama for year 11 drama for a semester. And then you will have your total of 60 stage 2 points. And also you'll end up with 0 points required yet. So that's how you can go about finishing it. And again, you can mix up courses, classes with a vet course. And of course, any information you require for vet, please contact myself, Maya Brooks, at the school. And remember that Cert 2 vet courses yield stage 1 points, and Cert 3 vet courses yield stage 2 points. Only certain Certificate 3 courses have stage 2 points that go towards your ATAR. That is all from me. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us on 8152-6800. Thank you.